Have you ever dreamed of captivating everyone in the room as soon as you speak? How to reach that level of charisma? Stay with me, because in this video, we delve into the secrets of charisma that will transform your life. There was a time when my words seemed to get lost in the echo of everyday life. My interactions lacked that magnetic spark that holds attention. That's when I stumbled upon the mysteries of charisma. These tricks transformed my way of expressing myself, shifting from ordinary speech to captivating mastery. Today, I share these secrets with you, as charisma is not a gift reserved for a few, but a skill that everyone can learn and master. If you find the content captivating, subscribe gracefully to stay connected. Movement 1. The power of body language. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to occupy all the space when they enter a room? It starts with the power of body language, the first key movement in the art of charisma. Imagine yourself standing, shoulders straight, head held high. This posture instantly conveys a commanding presence. Your body language is the first impression others have of you. It communicates messages long before you open your mouth. When your posture is upright, you emit unwavering confidence. It's as if you assert your place in the world. People are drawn to confidence, creating a magnetic aura around you. Take a concrete example. Picture yourself entering a business meeting with a slouched and hesitant posture. What message does that send? Now, envision yourself entering with assurance, dominating the space. People are instantly more inclined to listen to you and respect your presence. The impact of posture on your charisma cannot be underestimated. It is the foundation upon which you build your captivating presence. By mastering the power of your body language, you begin to shape the narrative of your charisma, leaving an unforgettable impression in every interaction. Movement 2. Using the voice as a charismatic instrument. Imagine your voice as a captivating symphony, each word a note, each sentence a melody. The voice is the central instrument in our charisma orchestra. Vary the tone, cadence, play with rhythm. Make each word an auditory experience. Your voice can transform ordinary words into a captivating performance. Think about how a deep and assured voice can evoke confidence, while a soft and modulated voice can inspire calm. Use this palette of vocal expressions to add an enchanting dimension to your speech. Let's not forget the power of silence, an often overlooked note. Incorporate strategic pauses, letting your words resonate in the audience's mind. This creates anticipation, a suspense that maintains attention. Movement 3. The dramatic pause. The dramatic pause, a powerful technique to create strategic suspense in your speech. Imagine captivating your audience with words hanging in the air, creating tension begging to be released. Pauses are not just moments of silence, they are intentional breaths, moments where the audience holds its breath. When you master the art of the dramatic pause, you control the pace of the conversation, keeping your audience hanging on every word. Use this technique to emphasize crucial points, let information settle, or simply to maintain engagement. The dramatic pause transforms every speech into a theatrical experience, making you a master of captivation. Movement 4. Creating mystery around your personality. How to add a mysterious dimension to your presence? Imagine yourself as a fascinating book whose pages unfold slowly. Creating a mystery around your personality is the fourth essential movement in the art of charisma. Reveal just enough of yourself to intrigue, but leave an element of mystery. This sparks curiosity, prompting others to want to know more. Use suggestive anecdotes. Share ideas without unveiling all the answers. A hint of mystery enhances the magnetic power of your presence. By combining a captivating voice, strategic pauses, and an aura of mystery, you weave a captivating narrative of your charisma. Continue to explore these movements, as charisma is an endless symphony of captivating expressions. Movement 5. The art of verbal persuasion. The art of verbal persuasion, a movement that transforms your words into powerful tools. Imagine each word as a chess piece, strategically positioning your argument to gain approval. Elegant and effective persuasion relies on the precision of words, conviction in the voice, and a deep understanding of your audience. Use persuasive anecdotes, engaging metaphors, and be mindful of your body language. When you master the art of verbal persuasion, you subtly guide your audience's opinion, leading them to embrace your ideas. Movement 6. Skillful handling of delicate questions. How do you respond to delicate questions with confidence? This is where skillful handling comes into play. Envision yourself gracefully navigating through challenging questions, transforming each challenge into an opportunity to strengthen your charisma. The key lies in mental preparation and self-mastery. Anticipate potentially tricky questions, craft thoughtful responses, and remain calm under pressure. When you confidently address even the most delicate questions, you enhance your credibility and reinforce the image of a charismatic and unwavering person. Continue exploring these movements of the art of speech, as each nuance added to your repertoire enhances the magic of your charisma. Impact of speech on respect and perception. Understanding the impact of speech on respect and perception is crucial in the quest for charisma. Your words shape how you are perceived by others. Envision captivating your audience with words imbued with wisdom, compassion, and intelligence. Charisma arises from the congruence between what you say and how you say it. Positive, affirmative, and well-chosen words strengthen the respect others accord you. You become a magnetic beacon, attracting admiration and trust. However, remember that authentic charisma stems from deep sincerity. Be true in your words, share your convictions with conviction, and observe how your impact on others transforms. We now plunge into the 10th movement, exploring the intimate connection between charisma and mindset. The relationship between charisma and mindset. The relationship between charisma and mindset is a fascinating terrain. Picture yourself shaping your charisma from within, cultivating a mindset that radiates through every interaction. True charisma doesn't just come from the words you speak, but from the mindset that underlies them. A positive and confident mindset naturally translates into your presence. When you believe in yourself, embrace optimism and resilience, your charisma becomes a magnetic force. People are drawn to positivity, to the conviction that every interaction with you will bring something meaningful. Cultivate a mindset that nurtures your charisma. How you perceive the world reflects in how the world perceives you. Charisma and mindset form a powerful symbiosis, a dance where inner confidence guides every movement. So, let's plunge together into this endless exploration of charismatic captivation. Impact of speech on respect and perception. Understanding. The impact of speech on respect and perception is crucial in the quest for charisma. Your words shape how you are perceived by others. Envision captivating your audience with words imbued with wisdom, compassion, and intelligence. Charisma arises from the congruence between what you say and how you say it. Positive, affirmative, and well-chosen words strengthen the respect others accord you. You become a magnetic beacon, attracting admiration and trust. However, remember that authentic charisma stems from deep sincerity. Be true in your words, share your convictions with conviction, and observe how your impact on others transforms. We now plunge into the 10th movement, exploring the intimate connection between charisma and mindset. The relationship between charisma and mindset. The relationship between charisma and mindset is a fascinating terrain. Picture yourself shaping your charisma from within, cultivating a mindset that radiates through every interaction. True charisma doesn't just come from the words you speak, but from the mindset that underlies them. A positive and confident mindset naturally translates into your presence. When you believe in yourself, embrace optimism and resilience, your charisma becomes a magnetic force. People are drawn to positivity, to the conviction that every interaction with you will bring something meaningful. Cultivate a mindset that nurtures your charisma. How you perceive the world reflects in how the world perceives you. Charisma and mindset form a powerful symbiosis, a dance where inner confidence guides every movement. So, let's plunge together into this endless exploration of charismatic captivation. Charisma in professional situations. Exploring charisma in professional situations opens a door to success. Envision mastering the art of charisma in the business world. Your captivating presence becomes a powerful asset, influencing meetings, negotiations, and interactions within your team. Utilize the power of verbal persuasion to elegantly sell your ideas. Skillful handling of delicate questions becomes an essential skill in crucial discussions. You embody charisma in every presentation, every negotiation, propelling your career to new heights. Charisma in personal relationships. Applying charisma in your personal relationships transforms your daily life into a captivating experience. Imagine yourself weaving deeper connections with those around you, positively influencing your social circle. Charisma becomes a magnetic force that enriches your everyday life. In your daily interactions, use the power of body language to create an instant connection. Verbal persuasion becomes a subtle way to positively influence those around you. Cultivate mystery around your personality, creating lasting interest in the people you meet. The art of charisma becomes a compass in your daily life, guiding your interactions toward richer and more meaningful experiences. With these tools, let's delve deeper into the practical dimension of charisma, as each interaction is an opportunity to refine this captivating skill. The dangers of misusing charisma. Exploring the dangers of misusing charisma is essential to avoid pitfalls. Imagine yourself aware of the subtle nuances that separate authentic charisma from manipulation. Charisma, when used inappropriately, can lead to detrimental consequences. Verbal manipulations can erode trust, transforming charisma into a destructive tool. Professional and personal relationships can be compromised, leaving a negative imprint on your reputation. Understanding the limits of charisma becomes a key to navigating its use wisely. Continuous development of charisma. How do you constantly evolve in your mastery of charisma? Imagine yourself embracing an endless journey of personal improvement. Charisma, like a craft, requires continuous development to stay sharp and relevant. Explore new facets of body language, perfect your use of verbal persuasion, and delve deeper into the mysteries of your personality. Each interaction becomes a learning opportunity, each success and each mistake a means of growth. Charisma, in constant evolution, becomes a magnetic force propelling you to new heights of captivation. Let's dive together into this journey of continuous development, where each experience becomes a chapter in the infinite story of charisma. Psychological influences behind charisma. Let's dive into the psychological understanding of charisma, exploring the subtle mechanisms that underlie it. Imagine yourself discovering the invisible threads that connect charisma to the human mind. Charisma, at a psychological level, feeds on the subtle dynamics of the unconscious. Let's analyze the psychological influences that make a person charismatic. Elements such as empathy, emotional understanding, and the ability to read social cues play a crucial role. Charisma becomes a delicate dance between perception and projection, captivating minds in almost imperceptible ways. Link between self-confidence and charisma. How does self-confidence contribute to charisma? Imagine yourself understanding the deep connection between inner certainty and magnetic allure. Self-confidence acts as the catalyst for charisma, illuminating your presence naturally. The more you believe in your intrinsic value, the more your charisma flourishes. When self-confidence becomes the backdrop of your charisma, every gesture, every word, and every interaction radiates with a captivating aura. Together, let's explore this intimate connection between self-confidence and charisma, as it opens a door to authentic and lasting captivation. Thus concludes momentarily this infinite exploration of charisma. Thank you for embarking on this captivating journey through the subtleties of magnetic presence. Your reactions, thoughts, and engagement have been the fuel propelling this narrative. A huge thank you to each of you for your active participation. Your comments, reflections, and energy have enriched this shared experience. Charisma, as we've discovered, is a complex tapestry woven by our actions and interactions. However, this is just a pause in our exploration. The stories of charisma continue to unfold, and there is still much to learn, experience, and share. Your curiosity and enthusiasm are the pillars of this adventure. So thank you again for your presence and inspiring reactions. Keep exploring, acting, and infusing your life with the captivating magic of charisma. Together, we will write many more pages in this infinite book of knowledge and discovery. Thank you, and may your path be sprinkled with charisma and unforgettable experiences. See you soon for new explorations.